You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this very curious name. But yes, it's important to know how to pronounce it. If you want to learn more correct pronunciations of medical terms, stay tuned. An impairment of the ability to make movements. Dysdiadochokinesia. 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 What a mouthful, but it's actually quite a beautiful name. Dysdiadochokinesia. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.